to share about a top-down fire. It is less maintenance, it burns longer, and it is the bomb. Well, we hope not a bomb, but stay tuned and we'll see how it goes. So you start with 2 basic logs in parallel, and you get them pretty even. So I've got another one there. Let's put that there. So that looks pretty even to me. It's a little bit off, but it's good enough. And then you just build it up. You do 2 parallel this way. And then that's a little bit off. So we're gonna do, now that looks pretty even. And then you come here and here. And depending on what size fire you want, you can keep going. But then you're gonna need some fire starter in the middle, and it can be cardboard or clean paper. We happen to have some kindling, and someone in our group was kind enough to bring a fire starter. And because I'm chicken, I'm gonna get my fire tongs and start it. Does anybody know how to get this started? Anybody know how to do a fire starter?
I got 5 gallons of gasoline.
5 gallons of gasoline. Travels with Dottie. Rob says he can do it with 5 gallons of gasoline.
Well, that takes all the challenge.
And Sally Forth said that she can do it with what?
Paper towel and Vaseline.
All right, well, we may have to do that. All right, so Sally Forth was gonna go get paper towel and Vaseline, but I noticed this red on the end. I've never used a fire starter before. Watch this. Well, here we go. It catches.
You want to try this one?
Yeah. Oops. Yeah, it just won't stay lit.
Okay.
It's not lighting at all. There it goes. It's not lighting at all. It's hysterical. Don't do as I do. Rob, come help me. Sally, somebody.
Okay.
Light this fire. Light my fire. Light my fire.
Come on, baby,
Light my fire. We're aiming for the red. See, it won't stay lit.
Let's rotate everybody just a little bit to the left to get out of the wind a little bit.
To the left?
Oh, sorry, to my right.
The other way.
Oh.
Yeah.
How about point it down?
Point it down.
Yeah, let's try that. How about closer to me?
Just don't light his fire.
I'm trying to get the wind away.
Well, smoking a little.
There
We got
All
fire.
right.
Fire, fire, fire!
Don't want it to blow out. Shit. Vaseline and paper
Vaseline
towel.
and paper
Here's Bandit.
I'm sorry. I know you're going to have to cut it anyway.
Oh, were you moving?
I was like, I can't help it.
Fired. All right, so after multiple attempts with a fire starter, it didn't work. So Sally went and got
A paper towel with some Vaseline.
and
Now,
yeah, we're not going to hold it
No.
except with this because
you'll go up in flames.
that would not be good.
And you want to get this very close down to your other kindling.
And so we're going to put it in that. All right.
So you want me to hold this while you light?
Oh no, you light. Did y'all see me trying to light that thing? It takes a village to get a fire lit when you're camping with Debra.
There you go. All right, so we want to get really close,
Okay,
like way down here.
all right,
Because see, it goes up real fast. Go ahead and let go.
let go.
Uh-huh. See how cool that is?
Yeah, look at how good that's lighting, and it was one paper towel.
One paper towel and you just smear some Vaseline on it.
Oh, that's awesomeness.
Yeah. I learned that from another friend of ours
Okay,
that I was camping with.
awesome.
Yeah.
So this is a top-down fire, less maintenance once you get it lit, and it'll last for a very long time.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is